Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. We start off with this gorgeous pixie haircut. She's simply adding some beautiful bangs to the front portion of the hair. I love the versatility. She can play around with the bangs however she wishes. Such a cute style. And then we see this short bob hair transformation. Wow. So she added in some hair extensions and went platinum. Gorgeous hair change. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured in today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. How fun is that bob haircut? That was absolutely gorgeous. So here we have another shaggy hairstyle. I love the texture that the stylist created with that one. Followed by a color transformation. I absolutely adore this copper tone that she did. Beautiful hair shade. Gorgeous blunt blob transformation. Followed by another hair color change. So there is the before. Wow. Absolutely stunning. I love the dimension that the color has. And then we see another switch up with this beautiful burgundy purple fuchsia combo. Wow, absolutely stunning color combination. And then we see this short pixie hair transformation. Oh, looks like someone is going like mint green. Wow. That was very bold color. So let us know in the comments below which hairstyle is your favorite. I'm always curious to know. Whoa, beautiful peach and pink combo. So we have a red copper bob here. The stylist is going quite short with this one. Bam, some beautiful pixie cuts. I love the color too, so pretty. And then here we have a bob hair transformation. She's getting more of that bottleneck bang style. Beautiful, chic, modern bob, absolutely stunning. Wow, I love the pop of pink within this lob, absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyles and transformations, be sure to check out this video next.